These are crinoid star fossils. When they're not embedded in rocks, they can be found loose in the dirt. Crinoids look a lot like plants, but they're actually marine animals, and when they're living, they're often called sea lilies or feather stars. Some crinoids have stalks or stems, which is basically like an appendage they use to anchor themselves to rocks and coral. It's pretty rare to find a crinoid fossil fully intact like this one. Most of the time, people just find parts of the stalk or stem. The stalk is made up of individual columnals that are stacked on top of each other. So a single star crinoid fossil is actually a single columnal. But it's not uncommon to find columnals still attached to each other. Sometimes people ask me why the stems are star-shaped. Well, crinoids are in the same family as starfish and sea urchins, so maybe that has something to do with it. But not all crinoid stems are star-shaped. As you can see, some of them are round and look kind of like bolts. And others are round on the outside but have a flower or star shape in the center. A lot of you have asked where you can find them out in the wild. This is not a complete list, but I know some of the places you can find them in the US are Kentucky, Michigan, Tennessee, Utah, and Texas. And you can also find them in the UK, France, and Canada.